Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox cursor going off screen. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox cursor going off screen, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox and we click here. Then in this list of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone to fix your problem on Roblox cursor going off screen. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.